Hello, SC Model Question Set 1 2076 Science. Question number 23. Draw a chart showing the cross between red and white flowered pea plants till F1 generation. Find out the genotypic and phenotypic ratio of F2 generation. Second part of the question is, when the mating of black and white rats takes place, all the offspring produced in first generation are black. Why there are no white rats? The question carries 4 points. So let's approach the first part. So you have a cross between red and white flowered pea plants. So the way this Mendel chart is drawn, you are required to know the various pair of contrasting characters given in your textbook and identify the dominant character and recessive character. So in the case of a red flowered pea plant and white flowered pea plant, the red color is the dominant one. So the parents we write as RR for pure red, capital R's. For the recessive white, we use small r. So this is, since the organism is diploid, this is basically 2n. So the gametes, as you know, from meiosis, you'd find that they separate, and as they combine, you can see each of these combinations gives capital R, small r. So this is what you are asked to draw in the first part. So if you see here, they are all hybrid red. So phenotypically, they are red, but genotypically, they do have character for white as well, as you see. So to find out the genotypic and phenotypic ratio of F2 generation, you can draw the Mendel chart again, where these cross again. So as they cross, you have gametes, and then you can see what are the product of F2 generation. So this capital R and capital R combine to form capital RR. So it's pure red, phenotypically red, genotypically red. While other two combinations, as you see here, gives hybrid red. So it means they are phenotypically red, but genotypically they are actually hybrid. And there is one combination which gives us pure white, small r, small r. So if you look at the ratio, phenotype ratio is what you see. So you see three of them are reds and one is white. So the ratio is 3:1. When you consider genotypic ratio, you also distinguish pure and hybrid. Pure red you have 1, hybrid 2 out of 4, and pure white 1. So basically the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So that answers the second part of the question as well. Let's move on to the other part. What happens when black and white rats meet? So when pure black and pure white rats meet, remember black is a dominant character. And as you see here, in the first filial generation, all the offsprings are black. So in F1 generation, you only get black rats. They are black, phenotypically black, genotypically hybrid. But it's only the blackness that appear in F1 generation. Why? By Mendel's law of dominance, in a pair of pure contrasting characters, in this case you have pure black and pure white. So basically the character is color. Only one dominates in first generation, while other is hidden. Hidden in the sense that it's not expressed phenotypically. Black being a dominant character over white, we see from the chart all the offsprings are black phenotypically. There are no white rats in F1 generation as black dominates the white color. Basically, explanation comes from Mendel's law of dominance. Though you must remember, all offsprings have genes that carry white color. It is not expressed phenotypically in F1 generation. Good luck.